Hello friend, this is Somi from WMTCNC. We are professional machinery manufacturer. We mainly product CNC Lathe, manual lathe, machining center, and so on. We have sold our machine to all over the world, more than 150 countries, and keep reading. Today, we will show you our best-selling machine, big spindle CNC machine, and pipe threading CNC machine. This is our pipe threading CNC lathe, QK1322, mainly through turning to process thread. This machine have double chuck clamping, 3-jaw chuck and 4-jaw chuck. Spindle 225 mm. Spindle speed is 15 to 350 revolution per minute. Max distance between center is 1500 mm. Bed wise is 550 mm. Max swim over bed diameter is 630 mm. Max swim over chair post diameter is 40 mm. The standard accessory is 4-station chair post. We also can offer you 6-station chair post and 8-station chair post. This system we are using now is Siemens. We also can offer you GSK and Fanuc. If you are interested in this model, please feel free to contact us.